Namaste to all of you. Differential equations. Already sixth lecture I given. This is the sixth lecture extension class. Means in this lecture I will explain few more examples basing on the homogeneous differential equation, and then I will extend the non-homogeneous equation. That is the next another model in differential equations. So already we discussed about the dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Here f comma g are homogeneous functions of same degree, homogeneous functions of the same degree. This is known as the homogeneous differential equation. A homogeneous differential equation, how we are solving? By substituting y is equals to vx. If you substitute y is equals to vx, then dy by dx value changes to v plus x into dv by dx. This y is equals to vx and dy by dx equals to v plus x into dv by dx. In this equation, if we substitute given differential equation, then the given differential equation changes to variable separable method. Variable separable method. Now in the variable separable method, how to solve differential equation already we given. In the name only its meaning is there. Variable separable means separate the variables, means x terms to the side of dx and y terms to the side of dy. Then by applying integration we will get the solution. This is the homogeneous differential equation. One example here I will give. One example. Solve the differential equation dy by dx is equals to x minus y by x plus y, if they are given like this. Dy by dx equal to x minus y by x plus y. Here if you observe x minus y, x plus y, this is a homogeneous function. This is also homogeneous function of degree 1. Now what is substitution? Y is equals to vx. If I substitute y is equals to vx, what is the dy by dx value? V plus x into dv by dx. Now replace the value here, y is equal to vx and dy by dx value. Then given equation changes to v plus x into dv by dx equal to x minus y value, vx by x plus vx is the value. Means x into dv by dx is equal to, here plus v is there, bring this side, then minus v. 1 minus v by 1 plus v minus v is the value. Now x into dv by dx is equal to, what is LCM value? 1 plus v, and here 1 minus v minus v minus v square. Then if you simplify this whole value, you can get 1 plus v by, here it is value v square plus 2v minus 1 dv equal to minus dx by x is the value. So integral v plus 1 by v square plus 2v minus 1 dv is equals to dx by x with minus symbol. Now integrate. Now which implies, what is the derivative of this value? V square plus 2v minus 1. What is the derivative value? 2v plus 2. So here I can do 1 by 2 integral 2v plus 2 by v square plus 2v minus 1 dv equal to minus logarithm of x. Of course here plus integration constant c will come, but here logarithmic function is there, so instead of c value I can take log c. Okay, now which implies 1 by 2 into, this is in the form integral f dash x by fx. What is the formula? Integral f dash x by fx, logarithm of mod fx. So here I can get logarithm of v square plus 2v minus 1 is equals to minus this minus log x, also bring this side, plus log x is equals to logarithm of c. Now here I can replace v value. That too, before that 1 by 2 is there, this 1 by 2 here will come. So logarithm of, I can write root of v square plus 2v minus 1 into log a plus log b value into x log ab equal to logarithm of c. Both sides if apply anti-log, this side log value get cancel. I can get the value that implies root of v square plus 2v minus 1 into x is equals to c is the value. Since here it is the value, root of v square plus 2v minus 1 into x equal to log cancel, c is the value. So I can get, here it is the value, root of v square plus 2v minus 1 into x equal to c. But what is the value? Y is equal to vx, already we know. Therefore v is equals to y by x. Replace the value, x into root of y square by x square plus 2 into y by x minus 1 equal to c. If I simplify by taking LCM x square, this value cancel, then root of y square plus 2xy minus x square is equals to c. Even if you squaring on both sides, y square plus 2xy minus x square is equals to k. So this is the best simplification. So in the differential equation, one more important point is, few students what they will do, here instead of log c they will take only c. Even that is also correct, it is not a mistake. They can take here it is the value c. After by taking c value they will get, here if they will take, here logarithm form will come, logarithm of this value equal to c. Then this value equal to e power some c, you will get it. Even e power c means constant only. Instead of that constant value you can replace some other value k, even though you will get the same thing. So here the best solution we have to try to simplify. Okay, with one more example I will explain the homogeneous differential equations. Here one more example is, solve the differential equation if they will give one example. Here they given as, solve x into sin of y by x dy by dx is equals to y into sin of y by x, y sin of y by x minus x is the value. Once again, solve the differential equation, x into sin of y by x dy by dx equal to y into sin of y by x minus x. Now here before only I am telling to you, they will not mention any particular method. Either the given bit changes to variable separable method or homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Student only you have to understand. How to understand means, by practicing more number of examples you can understand either the bit will goes to variable separable method or homogeneous method or non-homogeneous method, like that. Now this value, first separate dy by dx value from the given equation. Dy by dx is equals to y into sin of y by x minus x by x into sin of y by x. Like this you will get it. Now here what is the numerator degree? 1. Since if you replace instead of y ky instead of x kx, then you will get here k power 1 into this function, here also k power 1 into this function. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. Now what is substitution immediately? Y is equals to vx. If I take y is equal to vx, what is the value? Dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now replace all the values in the differential equation. That implies v plus x into dv by dx is equals to y value vx sin of vx by x minus x by denominator value x into sin of vx by x. This is the value v plus x into dv by dx is equals to x everywhere cancel, v sin v minus 1 by sin v is the value. Now this is the value v plus x into dv by dx is equals to v minus 1 by sin v. Then v get cancelled. Then what is the value? X into dv by dx is equal to minus 1 by sin x is the value, sin v is the value. Bring this sin v this side. Sin v dv equal to minus dx by x. Then integrate on both sides. Integral sin v. What is the integral sin v value? Minus cos v equal to minus logarithm of x plus, here instead of constant value I can take here also logarithm of c, otherwise c also you may take it, that is your interest. Now which implies minus cos of v value nothing but y by x is equals to logarithm of, what about this value will be, c by x is the value, since log a minus log b, then the whole value is equals to c by x equal to, c by x is equal to, okay. Here one more simplification, maybe if you common minus value here I will extend one more step. If I common minus value, then what I can get here if I common minus value? That implies cos v is equals to log x minus logarithm of c. Then cos v is equals to logarithm of x by c. Then x by c is equals to e power cos v. Then you will get x is equals to some constant c into e power cos of v value y by x. So this is the best simplification. So these are the examples basing on the homogeneous differential equation. Now today I will explain the one more solving method, non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation. So here the main thing is, what is the difference between the homogeneous differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equation? Even this non-homogeneous differential equation easily you can understand. For example, here the given bit is dy by dx is equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2. Only up to a1x plus b1y by a2x plus b2y. If without this constant, this is the homogeneous differential equation. But here if c1 and c2 constant is there, then this is the non-homogeneous function, and this is also non-homogeneous function. So this form is known as the non-homogeneous differential equation. Then here the thing is, how you can solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. Here there are three methods basing on the coefficient. There are three methods are there. First method, case 1, first case. For example, if a1 equal to minus b2, if a1 equal to minus b2, this is the non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation is in the form dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2. Okay, to solve a non-homogeneous differential equation, there are different cases. First case, if a1 equal to minus b2, then directly cross multiply and then solve. This is the first case. If a1 equal to minus b2, then directly cross multiply, and that means this into this, then solve. You will get the solution. With one example I will explain. This is the value. Here it is the example they given. Solve dy by dx equal to minus 3x minus 2y plus 5 by denominator value 2x plus 3y minus 5. So directly by observing only we can say this is not a homogeneous differential equation. Only without these constants, this is the homogeneous differential equation. But here constant is there, na? So whenever the constant is there, automatically that is not the homogeneous differential equation. So this is the non-homogeneous differential equation. That too, if you observe here, instead of a1, what is a1 value? a1 is equals to minus 3. A1 is equals to minus 3 is the value, and B2 value. What is B2 value? Here A1 is equals to minus 3 and B2 is equals to 3. So means here the case is A1 equals to minus B2. So A1 equal to minus B2 means what I told you in this method, directly cross multiply the equation. If I cross multiply, what is the value? 2x dy, cross multiply 2x dy plus 3y dy minus 5 dy equal to this side value minus 3x dx minus 2y dx plus 5 dx is the value. Now within this method, 2 into x dy, bring this minus 2y dx this side, then this value changes to plus 2y dx. Then here it is value plus 3y dy minus 5 dy plus 3x dx minus 5 dx is equal to 0. Now this value, if I common to x dy plus y dx first value plus 3y dy minus 5 dy plus 3x dx minus 5 dx is equal to 0. Apply the integration everywhere. If I apply the integration, 2 into integral of this value, integral this value I can written as derivative of xy. Okay, x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x means nothing but derivative of xy plus 3 into y square by 2 minus 5 into y plus 3 into integral x value x square by 2 minus 5 into x is equal to integration constant c. And now here also 2 into xy plus integration derivation cancel 3 into y square by 2 minus 5y plus 3 into x square by 2 minus 5x is equal to constant. So directly this is the general solution for the given non-homogeneous differential equation. So in the non-homogeneous differential equation, this is the first case. What is the first case? If a1 equal to minus b2. If a1 is equals to minus b2, then directly you can cross multiply. By cross multiplying, you will get the general solution. This is the non-homogeneous differential equation case 1. That means in non-homogeneous differential equation, first method.